This year I bought one of these Stanleys for everyone in the family. I've already taken the lid off so I could show you the inside. Last night I put ice water in here. And our house is fairly warm, but there's still ice and water. I've already been drinking off of it this morning, same ice I put in last night. So I love that it actually keeps everything nice and cold. On the front it will lock closed so you don't accidentally press the button, but the button is really easy. It's got a nice wide mouth on it, and on the back we've got this carrying ring. I love the color options. Everybody got a different color. Everybody's really happy with them. They've all been lugging them around all weekend, and very happy that we bought all the kids and the adults one this year.
Perfect. It does not leak at all.
My character, private investigator Jackson Ray. Could this be the end?
Nice big hole to drink out of.
Hey, Fluff's gonna see you through this one. Sorry, this is not the end for you, P.I. Jackson Ray.
Only thing I don't care for is that it was made in China, and it's supposed to be an American company, designed in Seattle. Not good, but I love it.
So I purchased this as a Christmas present for my 2-year-old. This is a size comparison. And he can easily open it. Pop it open. And then close it.
This Stanley, it's 24 ounces. It doesn't leak. Totally leak-proof. There's that. Sometimes this doesn't open on its own. You can see I got stuff in there. Video of it. It's pretty nice. Yeah. One little mark I see is probably right there, but that's about it. Everything else looks great. I have to deal with that.
YouTube is suggesting them, you are continuing to make passive income. So by you investing a little bit of time into making videos or starting a YouTube channel, you are creating a stream of passive income. Even though you don't see it right away, because we all know YouTube does have some requirements